Hello everyone, today is Wednesday, June 22nd, and I decided to make me a salad. I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys how I prepared this. I used a green leaf. Here, and what I did is I chopped it up real fine, as I would say, and then I also used some of this organic baby spinach, well, it's not baby, it's spinach and spring mix. It's organic. Chopped it up as well. And this is what it's looking like. I also used 3 eggs. I love boiled eggs. And I used pepper and some sea salt. And of course, good old ranch dressing, which I'm about to put some more in here. Shouldn't be using that much, but I like ranch. So I'm just going to give it a good stir. This is my little salad. That's all I'm putting in here. No meat, which I would love to have some bacon bits. No walnuts in here, which I would love to have the walnuts. None of that in here as well. Just my eggs and the salad. That's it. I guess I gotta talk to you guys later. Let me eat my salad. Bye now.